Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this rubber band shooter. These are the pieces you are going to need. First, we get this piece. Get 4 of these blue pieces. Then we attach it. So it looks like this. Then we get this long black piece. Attach it. Get this L-shaped piece and attach it too. Now you get one of these. Attach one of these on this so it looks like this. We add it here. Now we get this triangle piece and this other piece. We attach it so it looks like this. We get another one of these pieces. Add it like this. We get another one of these pieces. So it looks like this. We get another one of these pieces. Attach it over here. We get these 2 yellow pieces and attach it over here. We get these 2 pieces, another one of these 2 pieces. We attach them like this. We put it like this. Now we get this piece. So it looks like this. We put this piece over here. And add these rubber bands down. To shoot, you just take out this one white piece. Try it out. These are my 3 targets I'm going to use. Ah, missed. Let's try another one. Just a push. Thanks for watching. Bye.